Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
Knight C6.
D8 store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8 store.
G6.
C store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
D6.
Bishop A2.
Knight captures on D4.
Queen captures on D8 store.
Bishop G7.
Bishop G5.
Castles kingside.
Queen D8 2.
A5.
Castles kingside.
A4.
F store.
Queen A5.
Queen A3.
Bishop E6.
F5.
Bishop D7.
C5.
Rook A8.
Rook F2.
D captures on C5.
Queen G3.
Bishop C6.
A5.
Knight D7.
F6.
E captures on F6.
A captures on F6.
Bishop H8.
Rook D8 1.
C4.
Bishop H6.
Knight captures on F6.
Bishop captures on F8.
Rook captures on F8.
Queen D8 6.
Queen B6.
Queen D8 store.
Queen captures on d4.
White captures on d8. Store.
a3.
White d8. F. Store.
A captures on b2.
White captures on f6.
Rook e8.
King f1.
Bishop captures on f6.
White captures on f6.
Rook e3.
Knight b1.
c3.
White captures on c6.
B captures on c6.
Bishop d8.
f5.
King f2.
f4.
A. Store.
King g7.
A5.
Rook e5.
King f3.
Rook captures on a5.
Bishop c2.
Rook e5.
Bishop a. Store.
Rook captures on e4.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.